welcome back to the channel. And what we're doing now, we're going to put some brake pads, rear brake pads into the Mighty Orange, into the KTM 1290S. These are genuine brake pads. They've come from Judd Racing. They're about £39. That's what they are. Look, that's your part number there. They are Brembos. Look, these are the two pads which Chris is going to install them while I film him. We always put some of this Texar on the back. This what they call Tech, which is just a little smear on back of each pad there, and obviously not on the synth range beds. But yeah, so here we go. This is Chris. Say good morning.
Morning.
So yeah, so and this is the Mighty Orange, and this is the job what we're doing. So you can undo your rear brake reservoir if you wish to, and there's two little pins there which I'll put the light on and show you. They're your two, these cotter pins which have got to come out first, which Chris will take out with a pair of pliers, I think. He might be to do it with his hands because he's a strong lad. There we go, one out. They're quite well used, so that pin should come out pretty easy.
Yep.
Pin pushes out away from the, onto the near side anyway. That's that.
Towards wheel.
Then you've got two pads.
One. That's two.
And that's that. Yeah, they look right, don't they? They look like we've got right ones.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's a smidgen of that Tech on, and then they'll go back in, and hopefully pretty easy, I hope. You don't need a lot of that on. Because the one thing I do like about this KTM, I've said it on lots of videos and lots of times, that this rear brake pad, it actually does work. You know, as I don't mention any names what I built in Bavaria, but I've had 11 of them, and you're off forever trying to get your back brake to work as good as one of these. It's this has worked for, what are these, 23,000 miles? And there's still meat on them, to be fair. I mean, I think they're pretty good. I reckon I could have got away with more life, but for some reason I'd got it in my head that I wanted some, so... And
yeah, no, they haven't worn that much really.
And I do use my back brake a lot. They have worn, yeah.
They have worn, yeah.
But we'll push pistons back with this screwdriver now.
But not excessively.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Yes, it was a clean. I hadn't had a chance to clean the old shed this week, so...
Not stuck well, these pads to that.
You what?
No, I think they get stuck to that pad that side.
That's one in. It's nice to have something new anyway. We were filming on a brand new GoPro 12 and see how that's performing. So I haven't really checked settings on it, so it might be the worst video we've ever made, it might be best. Who knows? Going through now.
There we go.
Going through. That's it, the other one goes the other way around, cotter pin.
Back pin.
There used to find hole. Is it that side?
No, it was in here.
Oh, you got it.
That's it.
That's it, you've got it.
We're in.
We're in. So that's that job. We'll just give it a press. Spin wheel, Chris. And again. And again. Do it again. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, we're good to go. So that's that job done. It doesn't take long to do that then, does it? So there you are. some new pads. They look nice anyway, don't they?
Yeah,
Anyway,
new pads.
yeah, so thanks for looking anyway. We'll catch you later. Have a good day.